Hi, I'm Kristen Olson. I am the chemistry teacher here at Rocky, and I'm lucky enough to have your student in my class. The best way to contact me is my email address, kolsson@psdschools.org. I'm very irresponsible about checking my voicemail, so email is the best way to get in touch, and if you would like to talk on the phone, email me and I would love to chat with you. So we can set something up for sure. A little bit about this class and some of its opportunities, and also about me. I think it's really important that the students and I acknowledge each other as people in addition to our roles as teacher and student. So everybody has made a slide like this one, and we're sharing them with each other to learn about each other a little bit and value each other outside of the classroom. So I'm a huge Colorado Avalanche fan. I love going to shows at Red Rocks and see music. I like to hike, and it's like extra bonus points if there's geological phenomena. So this was in Yellowstone, and it's just a beautiful geyser. I like to run. So this is a picture from the Wild West Relay, which I ran with a bunch of friends and Miss Wiley, who's a teacher here as well. And I like to camp as my dog. So when we connect in class, we really try to think about how we can connect outside of school in addition to how we connect in school. What your kiddo can expect is that they need to come to class as much as possible, especially right now. Things are janky, and so I get that, and we can always negotiate, but the more they can be here, the better. They will be collaborating regularly, which is very typical in science. They're going to have to work hard. They're probably going to have to do some homework, and overall, we just really try to focus on what we do in class, working together, and then ideally there's minimal homework if we've been doing a good job in class. The stuff that we'll cover in this introductory chemistry class includes atomic structure, periodicity, bonding and nomenclature, chemical quantities, stoichiometry, the behaviors of gases, and then looking at solutions in acid-base chemistry. So kind of a broad scope, not super in-depth at this level, but it's a really, really good foundation for moving forward into more advanced chemistry classes, whether that's here at Rocky or in college. Other things that I really try to emphasize in class is using our experiences with chemistry to grow as people. And so a lot of the things that I try to remind our students about are the qualities like self-confidence or flexibility or open-mindedness, communication, being proactive, being empathetic, all of those qualities that help us connect with other people strongly and be more successful later on down the road. Our family values here at Rocky are really important to me and to what happens in my classroom. So I have compassion, respect, perseverance, and integrity. And we talk a lot about how nothing is more valuable than your integrity. And I just always beg the kids, like, I would rather just have you ask me something than try to cheat. And so we really want to start working on some of those things like advocating for yourself and asking questions and all of that good stuff. One thing that's kind of technical that I've talked to students about, but I want to share with you as well, is that we have 2 chemistry courses offered this fall. We have chemistry and then we have advanced chemistry. So chemistry is the class that I teach, just an introductory chemistry course. You need to have Algebra 2. And this is basically college chem for non-science majors. So at CSU, I think it would be like Chem 104. Advanced chemistry is a lot more intense. It's very rigorous. It's only offered in the fall. It needs Algebra 2 as well. Miss Weeks teaches that class, and it's the equivalent of College Chem for science majors. And we recommend advanced chem if you want to take AP. You can go through my class and jump into AP. It's definitely achievable, and it can be nice to take advanced chem to get used to that rigor before you jump into the AP course. Both of these classes have CU Succeed credit, which is a really spiffy thing. So my section is Chem 1474, which is core chemistry, chemistry for the consumer. Tuition is only $308, so compared to most credits at a four-year institution, that's a pretty good deal. If you take advanced chem, you only have one class at Rocky, but it counts as two classes at the university level. So you would have the General Chemistry 1 credits, and then you would get the Gen Chem lab credits as well. So the tuition is a little bit more expensive for that. Excuse me. But overall, both really, really good options. If your student does want to take AP Chemistry in the future and get CU Succeed credit for AP Chem, then you have to take advanced chemistry. If you took my chemistry class and then you wanted to do CU Succeed for AP Chem, it wouldn't work. But you could still take AP Chem and get credit, college credit from the test. So both pathways ultimately can lead to college credit. It just depends on how rigorous of a workload you want to take on right now. So here's the info for CU Succeed. You would look for core chemistry, chemistry for every day. My name is Kristen Olsen. Course number is 1474. I'm section G2. Class number is 42229, and it's worth 4 credits, so that's pretty darn good. There is a student, parent-student financial responsibility form that you'll receive after your student signs up if you choose to go that route. And registration actually opens today on August 23rd, and you can go to the CU Succeed website, and I also will have materials posted on Google Classroom and my course website so that it's easy to access that stuff. Oops. So I think that's all I've got. If you have questions or concerns or anything at all, feel free to reach out. Like I said, I try to check my voicemail about once a week. I'm pretty forgetful about that because it's in my desk in the office and not in my classroom where I am all the time. But I would love to hear from you guys. I'm really looking forward to this year. I think it's going to be a great year, and I'm so excited to work with your students. Thanks, guys.